Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ko journey ko into a virtual assistant, into becoming a virtual assistant. Na, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, actually po, I'm a graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education. So, yung course ko talaga is pang teacher. So I've worked in different schools, private schools in our area, in our place here in Mindanao, Cagayan de Oro City. Tapos, after 5 years, nag-apply po ako bilang public school teacher. And I've been a public school teacher for over 2 years. And then I stopped or I quit because of my family. Now, I love teaching, but uh, I love my family more. I want to be with them, especially my kids. Like yung workplace ko kasi is dun sa hinterland, yung bukid na part. So I need to have a sacrifice. So I quitted my job and decided to work from home. So doon nagsimula ang aking ESL work. Like, I was a 5-1 talk teacher too. So, ipapakita ko po sa inyo in my next videos on how to apply in 5-1 talk. Actually, 5-1 talk is a very nice online platform. Like, madaming benefits. Yung salary is okay naman kung matyaga ka talaga. Like, yung 8 hours mo in your normal job or yung job mo na yung job mo before, kung i-convert mo yun in 5-1 talk, 8 hours din, you will have like mga once 2 or 1,300 a day. Yes. So, if every day mo yun, if every day 1,200, so malaki talaga. 1,200 is just, um, I think 6 hours lang yun. Or, basta ipapakita ko sunod sa inyo sa mga next videos ko about 5-1 talk. And also the incentives. Nice talaga siya. But, unfortunately, hindi ako nagtagal. Magwo 1 year na sana ako ngayong January 28. Kaso talaga, strict talaga ang 5-1 talk when it comes to reliability. Like yung absences mo, late, naka-monitor talaga yung lahat. And di ko naman po sa akin na party ko naman po talaga maiiwasan na meron talagang instances na makaka-absent talaga or ma-delay talaga. So yun, my SA was canceled due to absences. So, napakahirap kasi merong mga payables, merong mga needs. So, uh, ma- kailangan kong ano yan, maghanap ng sustainable na work. So, I came across sa mga job postings sa FB, and then I came across with being a virtual assistant. So, yun. So, here, meron akong i-share na company needing virtual assistants. So, ito ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Oh, here. Andito na pala sa monitor. Anyways, the company's name is My Freight Staff. I don't know, My Freight. Sorry, My Freight Staff. So, dito makikita nyo sa page nila, like, um, VA talaga yung um, needed nila. Like, this is a US based company, pero they wanted to hire VAs from the Philippines only. So, for the next video guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo how to apply in my freight staff as VA. So, the link will be in the description below. See you on the next video.